Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold the Kamiya Satoshi's Eurypterus. I'm using 35 by 35 centimeter Kami for this, which is around 14 by 14 inches. You can use 25 by 25 centimeters if you'd like, or just printer paper cut square, but that's probably once you're a bit better at folding the model. First, step one is to start on the white side, and then step one is to fold diagonally in half. Like so. Note that this is a rather complex model, so just be wary of that. So I do not recommend this for beginners. And so let's continue. Step two is to fold the edges of the paper to the middle to make like a kite shape. Here is one edge. And here's the other one. I just gotta make sure the creases are nice. Make sure you have good creases. That was step two. And then unfold. Now step three is, what will make it easier is to fold in half here. Don't fold all the way. Fold diagonally in half and don't fold all the way. And just make little creases on the corners. One crease, like this. And now this point here, we're going to make a crease that lines up that intersects with this little point here. And goes all the way to here. So like this. And now once we have that crease in this little diagonal point, make a little crease here, partial crease here. That was step three. Step four is to fold the line down to this little point. Fold the top down to this little point, like this. And that is step four. We're going to turn over to the colored side now. And step five is to fold on the intersection, making our first non-diagonal creases that aren't on the diagonal axis. And we're just going to crease it all the way down. So like that. That's one of them. And then the other one. And that's two. So like this. It may look tempting to go like this, but there's no creases to do that. Even if you want to, you couldn't. And now we're going to, again, fold on the intersection here, but with the diagonal fold. So it's going to look something like this. That is the 6. Unfold and turn over. And this little top part here, we're going to make a rabbit ear. So one fold of the rabbit ear, and 2 folds of the rabbit ear. So like this. That was step 7. Step 8 is to turn the paper like this, having the bottom face here, and fold this point down here to the rabbit ear we just made. So like this. Step 9 is to, again, fold at the rabbit ear, but with straight creases. Pretty sure. Yeah. We're just making sure. That was correct. So 1. And 2. So, just like this. We made that crease and that crease there. Sorry, I didn't turn over. So, the rabbit, so these creases should be, so I folded them the wrong way, sorry. Apologies. So it should be like this. Now turn over and fold this point like this, and then that's one of them, and then we do the same thing on this side, so like this. And unfold. And now underneath, we're going to make another rabbit ear, but this time on the opposite side. So 1. Sorry. 2. So like this. So our rabbit ear would be like this. So that was step 11. Step 12 is to, sorry, don't unfold these creases here. So step 12 is to take this mountain, use this mountain crease, and then this little intersection over here, we're going to fold a crease that lines up with this intersection and this also should go to the middle too at the same time. And then so it should look something like this. right at the little intersection over here, so should look like that. That was step 12. Step 13 is to unfold this little plate here. So now, after step 13, it will look like this. Step 14 is to repeat steps 12 and 13. Step 14 and 15 is just steps 12 and 13. So we're just going to make the pleat. And unfold. Like that. That was step 14. And that was step 14. Step 15 is to fold this little we're going to fold this on these two little, here's one crease and here's the other crease. So we're gonna fold on these two little. It might help if I put this up to the back side so you can see it better. Yeah, like that. Okay, that was step 15. Step 16 is to take the crease, this crease here, and pleat it towards the middle. Actually, not towards the middle, to the middle. So it should be touching the middle. So like this. That was step 16. Step 17 is to just kind of fold the layer. Just kind of just make the same. Just like kind of extend the fold. Like this. And that was up to step 18 is to unfold this fold. Step 19 is to repeat this fold. And then just go. So it would just be like this. So yeah, that was, there may be a little fold here, which, that's fine. That was step 19, and step 20, is to fold this to the middle. So we're just going to find the crease that we're looking for, which is this one, which is these two creases, or the one thing that I'm wrapping it right now. We're going to find an intersect. It's going to be close to an intersection. And then just kind of make it reach the whole thing. So just fold this to here and then just kind of just stop here. And repeat. So this gonna go to here. We're probably gonna make a ton of weird creases. Step 21 is to fold to this point here, and then just kind of make a little full straight line. So we're just going to make a line that goes to here and then just connects going up. Which will be like this, and then this is already intersecting with it. So another way to do it is just to fold like this. Is to make a line like this. And yeah, that was step 21. Unfold this. Step 22 is to make a diagonal line that intersects with the top of the side triangles that we made a few, like 10 or so steps ago. And fold like this, and we have fold on the bottom and on top. That was step 21. Sorry, 22. Step 23 is to fold like this, and then just stop at the crease we made in step 22. So like this. So we fold, and then stop here. Yeah. Like that. Oh, step 23, step 24 is very kind of difficult to read properly. I'm gonna try my best. Okay, yeah. This little fold here, where it intersects with this fold right here, we're going to make a diagonal line from. So like that intersection, we're going to make a diagonal line from that just don't stop at all. And it also should run through another existing crease we have. But yeah, we're not gonna worry about the details. So we start at. So we're gonna find the intersection again. We start at this intersection here, and then just go off all the way to the top. Or another way you can do this is where you take this little corner here, this intersection that I am, the intersection of these 2 points, like right here. We're gonna make a massive fold there, and then that is part of the same diagonal that we would use at this little intersection here. Yeah. So 2 ways to fold this diagonal. The one where you fold back. The top was a bit harder to read for me personally, so that's why. Yeah, that was step 24. Step 25 is to use this intersection line here, and just fold up through it, and is this all the way? Yes. And it also should make an intersection here with this line and this line. So, yeah. And then that was one of them. And now we find the other one. The other place to fold it. Is that right? No, close. Close. So right here is where we fold, and then just go intersection here. Like that. So we could probably do something like this with it. I'm not fully sure, but or something. Yeah. Either way, that was step 25. That little intersection line thing. What I would say about that, but either way, that was step 25. Step 26 is these little folds. We're going to make a little fold up from it. So basically, kind of like bringing this fold to here, almost. Very similar to bringing. Let me just kind of look a little closer. See the other intersection lines. There aren't any, so I'm gonna use one I already just stated. So like this, and this kind of fold it through. This is basically folding the model in half. Very close to, actually, almost exactly folding this model in half, but will not. So like this, these are the 2 folds you're making. That was step 26. Step 27 is to fold this line like that. This is an existing crease, and then we're just going to there's this crease, there's a crease here, another crease here. So there's a crease here, right? And then there's like a little whole intersection with a crease. It's like that. That also has like there's another crease like this. And we're just going to make a fold that like I'm pretty sure it goes like this. Let me check. No, it's going to bring this. Similar, but it's instead of bringing it. So this is all the way. This is half of this, and we're not going to crease this all the way. Actually, we're just going to lightly crease it for a reference point, and then fold this crease to that crease we just made.
I don't know how much longer I can film.
That was step 28. Step 29 is to actually use the fabled crease right here. Yeah. So just the crease that the half crease that we were talking about on 28, but we'll use the quarter crease. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry about me yapping. Being yapping. Step 30 is to unfold that diagonal and then just repeat. So there's like a little. Now there's like a little thing here